It's February 17th, 2020. Today I got a call from a lady. I just put a flange in her bathroom for her Saturday, and she's calling me today, and I guess there's a water leak underneath the bathroom area, and she had her brother shut the water off, so I gotta go over there and see what's going on with that water leak. So it sounds like it's coming from a copper pipe, from what she's saying. So they got the water shut off, so the pipe split. So we'll have to go check it out. It sounded like the copper pipe let loose underneath the bathroom. So we'll have to go over there and see what's going on with it. I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. It's pretty dark down here, but I got lights. Do the best I can. Yeah, that's that pipe going upstairs to the toilet.
Yeah.
It's right at the thread. I'll have to hopefully back that out.
Yeah.
That's for the toilet.
Yeah.
But it wasn't upstairs, it was down here.
Yeah, that's where it was leaking.
Right at the thread. Huh. Okay, we'll do that. At least we had a valve there to shut off, right?
Yeah.
Luckily.
I didn't know where it was. I had to call my brother to come down and...
Right. That's the toilet riser. See, that's all brass, too. Yeah, that's all, some of that's brass. Alright, we'll do what we gotta do. Brass nipples here. That's what's in there now. I'll just see if I get maybe a longer one. Or put a piece of copper in there or something. See if I get a long one. 3/8. I might just put a piece of copper in there. There we go. That's what's in there. See if I can back it out. Broke right at the threads downstairs. Yeah, it's definitely a big one. Oh, it's a lot longer than that. We'll have to come up with copper, that's all. Looks like they might have hit it when they put this back in. Might have hit it. Right against it?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So that's enough to whack it and knock it off, right? Yeah. This shelf wasn't in there before.
No, it wasn't.
We'll fix it.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna have to come up with copper anyway, so it ain't gonna matter. It was leaking right out of there. Look at that. Yeehaw. Come up 6 inches or something onto the floor will be good. 6, 7 inches. Come up 6, 7 inches out of the floor will be good. Alright, so I got 1/2 by 3/8. I'll be able to solder that on there. And just use a piece of copper going down through the floor. I gotta shut off here. The flange. And I'll solder this on there and screw it on there. This way I ain't gonna go down solo. I'll work up in there off a ladder. Easier. We got a 1/2 by 3/8 male. We're gonna Solder that on there. We'll be alright with that. I got the piece cut to length I need. Smoke alarm probably go off again. That cool, that cool. Give it the old royal flush, the old royal dunk. Solder the valve on there, then we'll put the scutcheon on after. They must have hit it. They put this back in, they must have hit it. It'll be alright like that. Solder that up. Put a rag on the floor so it wouldn't make a mess. That should be fine. Let that cool, and we'll put it back together. We'll see what happens with this thing. Hopefully it's good. We'll find out. I'll turn it on downstairs and see if it leaks. See if that works. Well, obviously the toilet's filling, right? But it don't seem to be leaking. Oh, look at all this brass. Scary. Flipping scary shit right there. Alright, it's not leaking anymore. Yeah, so right at the threads is where it was leaking. Or it's screwed in. Yeehaw. Alright, so that's good. When they put this in, they must have hit it, and that's what broke it. Shit happens, mama.